Welcome to Webstyle Plus. Let me show you something. Go to Fiverr and search for WordPress security. Search. You will see all of these gigs about hacked WordPress website recovery. So WordPress websites get hacked. You see, I will recover WordPress hacked website, remove malware. I will remove WordPress malware, hacked WordPress website, 900 plus jobs done. I will remove WordPress malware removal. 76 jobs done. 82 jobs done. I will recover a hacked WordPress website, remove malware. More than 1000 jobs done. See, these are the freelancers making money by providing WordPress support. They are recovering WordPress websites that get hacked. Many WordPress sites get hacked on daily basis, and there are many who are providing WordPress recovery services, but nobody is here to make WordPress websites secure. Well, except this one. I will secure your WordPress website. And he has already done 51 jobs, and his services starts from $125. I will secure your WordPress website starting from $400. I will fully secure your WordPress website starting from $200. So you see, you can earn a lot in this category. There are more people who are recovering hacked WordPress website, but there are less people securing WordPress websites. And freelancers who are securing WordPress websites are earning more. You can do that too. You know, on Fiverr, you should create a gig that few people are working on. If a lot of freelancers are providing same service, you will face a hard time in ranking your gig. So where people are recovering hacked WordPress websites, you can provide WordPress security services and make a lot of money online easily. Making a WordPress website secure is very easy. I have created a lot of tutorials on WordPress security already. I will link few of them in the video description. But this one is very special. I will show an easy way that will instantly secure WordPress website. I will also recommend few extra resources that will help you along the way. If you are using Fiverr on your mobile phone, you can implement this using your phone as well. It will take seconds and you will make money online in a legit way. That is by providing a service. Just out of curiosity, how much these guys are charging to recover WordPress website? Let's see this guy. Basic package $20, standard $75, and premium $90. In basic package, he is offering remove malware, not recommended. So he's not recommending his first package. One site, only files, malware cleanup, no database cleanup, no security, valid only for online sites. Standard package, one site, pro malware cleanup, advanced security, updates, firewall, no 30-day monitoring guarantee. And this one in $90, one site, pro malware cleanup, advanced security, updates, firewall, 30-day security. 30-day security monitoring support. So he's cleaning up website and then providing support for 30 days only. Well, you can create a gig and offer a client to make his website secure for life. And in this way, you can charge more, even more from these guys who are recovering WordPress websites, hacked WordPress websites. WordPress websites get hacked and then hackers install malware in WordPress websites. The way that we will use will not allow a website to get hacked. Website will be secure, so no malware. You can create a starter gig with low price package, and when it gets orders, you can increase package prices. So that's about the gap and what's going on with the WordPress websites. Now, how can you make money with this? Or if you are here to secure your website, you can do so as well. But let me tell you, WordPress security is a major issue. Implementing proper security is an even bigger challenge. You cannot have WordPress website without security measures. You have to implement WordPress security to secure WordPress website. In this video, we will look into that. But before that, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I am bringing similar content on this topic. Okay. To make WordPress website secure, one thing that you can do is to apply two-factor authentication in WordPress website. You can also enable magic login in WordPress, and you can also limit login attempts. In few seconds, I will also recommend valuable resources that can help you to make WordPress website secure. For now, let's go to WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, click add new, search for plugin, search for Fluent Auth. This is lightest and blazing fast security plugin for WordPress, and it works. I cannot tell you how many two-factor auth plugins I have tried. Almost all fail at some point. This is the solution. It works. Install and activate. Go to its settings, and here it recommends to apply recommended settings. You can do so, that is safe to do. But let's see what it offers. We've got core security settings, that is disable XML RPC, disable app login for remote access, disable REST endpoints for WP users, query for public. These are all safe to disable. Login security settings, enable login security and login limit. Login trial limit per IP address in certain defined minutes. How many times user can try login in 30 minutes. You can limit login attempts here. You can also adjust time limit for login try in minutes. You can increase this relogin attempt and limit login attempts. It's a must have. Then here you can enable magic login. User can login via URL sent to email. You can disable magic login selectively based on specific user roles. And then you can enable two-factor authentication via email. If we enable this, user have to provide authentication code sent via email. So this is an extra check. When user tries to log in, he will receive a code in his email that he will have to provide at login page. Without that, he will not be able to log in. I'm enabling these two. Here you can choose to receive notifications on certain activity. Click Save Settings. Before we try this, let's see what other features this plugin has. Social login. So you can enable social login and you can log in via GitHub account as well. You'll have to add this code in wconfig file. There is certain configuration involved in this. For now, we are not using it. Login signup forms. Enable custom login signup shortcodes. So this plugin offers shortcodes to place login forms or signup form or password reset form anywhere in your website. So this is useful in that manner as well. For example, if we want to display signup form, we can do so. I am creating a dummy page. Shortcode, apply the shortcode, signup page, publish, publish. Copy link address, incognito, paste the URL. User registration is not enabled. So let's enable it from settings. Anyone can register. From settings, from general under settings. Save changes. Reload page. You're already logged in. Alright, this is log out. Let's try this page again. And here is this sign up form. So it provides those forms as well. Go to admin area, and here you see I can provide username and password, or I can log in by this method, that is login via magic URL. But before that, let's see what else we have got here. Security settings, login redirects, enable custom login redirects. We can redirect users after login or logout based on the user roles. or user capability. So that's also a feature. But what we are doing is this one, magic login and two-factor auth. So let's try magic login. So here we are logged out. Let's log in, reload the page and login via magic URL. For that, we'll have to provide email address or username. This is a demo and it is getting deleted after this tutorial. So it's using basic settings. I will provide username and click continue. Check your inbox. We just emailed a link, login link to your registered email. All right. And here is the link. Let's copy this link, paste this link, and it says we need login code. So login code email is this because we enabled both settings, so it is asking login code as well. So let's provide login code and login, and we are logged in. But log out, I'm closing it. Let's go back, disable two-factor auth, save settings, reload, login via magic URL, username, continue, check your inbox, copy the link, paste the link in browser, and we are logged in without providing password and without two-factor auth. So now let's check just two-factor auth. Two-factor auth, save settings, reload, provide admin name and password, provide username and password, and login. And it is asking for login code. And this is the login code. Let's use it. Login, and we are logged in. See how easy and smooth it is. So use this two-factor auth, two-factor authentication via email to make your WordPress website secure. This will alone make your WordPress website a lot secure than without it. And this is how you can secure WordPress website. But this is just one side of coin. There's a lot you can do to secure WordPress. You have 3 price packages on Fiverr, right? So you should have more security services to fill that up. I can recommend you more stuff. I will recommend you stuff. You can choose or decide yourself about what should you use in your gig. First of all, there are alternatives to this plugin. Go to plugins, click add new, search for two-factor, and you see there are alternatives. WP2FA and this one, two-factor auth. So if that plugin is not available for some reason, there are other plugins available. But that plugin is not going anywhere. And then there are, you can search hide login, WPS hide login, easy hide login. This plugin will hide WordPress login page altogether. You can mask WordPress login area. I mean, WP-admin won't work after you use these plugins. You can specify your custom login URL. That will secure your WordPress website. This plugin will hide WordPress login page. Then search for activity log. You see this activity log, WP activity log for WooCommerce, WP activity log for Gravity Forms, for Yoast SEO, and for TablePress. But you need this main one, WP activity log. That's it. Or this one, activity log. This plugin monitors every change in website and logs those changes. It has other features as well. So this plugin will inform you about what's going on in your WordPress website. Then search for Cloudflare. Cloudflare, this is Cloudflare. You'll need a free account on Cloudflare, and Cloudflare supports free CDN, and it can hold a website under cyber attack. It will protect website from suspicious access. Cloudflare will add security layer for your website. This is a must-have as well. Then search for security. And as you can see, this one, WordPress security firewall and malware scan. This is a must have. People who are offering malware scanner services or WordPress scanning services and removing virus from WordPress website, this is the software that can help. And then we have got iTheme security. This is also a good one. All-in-one security, security and firewall. This is also a powerful plugin. These three, choose any one of these. So there are security plugins, powerful security plugins. See their stars and active installations before you install any one of these. You can choose yourself on what to provide service with. So this is Magic Auth, two-factor authentication, and security for WordPress. I have provided you gig ideas that you can use to make money online. Even if you are a beginner WordPress developer, you can do this job and make extra money from home. Or if money isn't a problem, you can make your WordPress website secure by implementing techniques that I shared in this video. Even when you don't find solution in plugins that I recommended, you have insights on where to look for and what to look for. So there you go. If this video isn't useful for you, you can recommend this to a junior WordPress developer who can use this to make money online. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.